PSA, or Professional Services Automation. Don't let the boring acronym fool you though. A PSA is the operating system for your entire business. Think about it. Currently, your sales team closes a deal, then they throw it over the wall to the project managers. Then the PMs deliver the project and they throw it over the wall to the finance team. A PSA tears down these walls. It is one single platform where these workflows flow automatically. The goal isn't just to organize tasks. It's to connect your people, your projects, and your money. When you do this, you stop leaking revenue and you start seeing the future of your business before it happens. So why do you actually need this? The first major reason is your resource planning. Without a proper PSA, answering a simple question like who's available to take on this project can become a complete nightmare. You'd have to check Slack, hold a staff meeting, and check 5 different calendars. PSA is like a company-wide heat map. Look at this view. I can instantly see that Christopher is completely overbooked for next week. He's in the red. But Ashley, she's sitting on the bench. If I don't fix this, Christopher burns out and Ashley ends up costing me money without bringing any in. With a proper PSA, balancing this workload is as simple as dragging and dropping. And here's the key. Because the system tracks past, current, and future data, it helps you maximize billable utilization, now and down the line. In a service business, time is your inventory. If you aren't tracking utilization visually, you're letting your inventory expire on the shelf every single day. The next point is the real game changer. It's what separates basic project management tools like Trello or Asana from a real PSA, real-time profitability tracking. Most businesses wait until the end of month to export timesheets and see if a project made money. By then, the project is basically over. You can't fix a problem that happened 3 weeks ago. A PSA is smarter. It knows your employee's internal cost rate, their salary plus overhead. It also knows how much you're selling your services for. That means the second an employee logs an hour of time, the system calculates the profit margin of that project right now. It all happens in the background, and you don't have to sweat the manual calculations yourself. Imagine saying that a project is trending toward a loss when you're only 50% of the way through. You can intervene, change the scope, or swap resources to save the margin. You move from reacting to the past to controlling the future. Let's look at what this operating system workflow actually looks like. When you're shopping for a tool, look for the specific end-to-end workflow. Step 1, the sale. Your sales team manages their opportunities right here. They scope out the estimated budget and build a proposal. Step 2, the handoff. This is where most businesses fail, but in a PSA, you simply click a button to convert that one deal directly into a project. The budget, the scope, and the client details transfer over automatically. No copy-pasting errors. Step 3, delivery. Your team logs time against that specific budget we just created. Step 4, billing. Because the time was tracked against the budget, you don't need to ask, what do I bill? The system tells you exactly what is unbilled. You generate a professional invoice and send it, all without leaving the platform. This is called quote to cash. It can reduce your admin time and overhead costs significantly, not to mention the price of making costly billing mistakes and oversights. Look, you can keep running your business in spreadsheets. Plenty of people do. But if you really want to scale and stop guessing about your margins, you need a system built for the complexities of professional services. You need a tool that connects your sales to your resource planning to your financials, all in one view. If you're tired of the app switching fatigue, do yourself a favor. Stop looking for a task manager and start looking for an all-in-one agency management software. What's the biggest pain point in your business right now? Is it billing, is it scheduling, or is it just knowing if you're profitable? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and here's to a more profitable year.